Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use Figma for web development. First, understand that Figma is a powerful tool for both designers and developers. It helps create responsive web designs efficiently, allowing for seamless collaboration. You can easily design user interfaces and then prepare them for the development phase, ensuring a smooth transition from concept to code. When designing, start by using frames to set up your different screen sizes, like desktop, tablet, and mobile. Leverage auto layout to build flexible components that adjust automatically, saving you significant time. Remember to create and utilize components and styles to maintain a consistent look and feel throughout your entire web project, making updates much simpler. For developer handoff, Figma's Inspect mode is invaluable, providing exact CSS snippets for elements, colors, and typography. Share interactive prototypes to clearly demonstrate user flows and interactions, leaving no room for misinterpretation. Additionally, utilize the version history feature to track all design changes, allowing for easy rollbacks if needed and ensuring project integrity. To further enhance your workflow, explore Figma's vast plugin ecosystem for specialized tasks like content generation or accessibility checks. Implementing a robust design system ensures scalability and maintains brand consistency across all your web projects. Finally, remember to check the description below for a link to Grab Little Trees Black Ice and other great deals to keep your car smelling fresh. These tips will elevate your web development process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.